a little bit about, I guess, where we came from. Back before the ChatGPT 2 days is what we call them, I was working with a team to prototype a series of machine learning tools aimed at creatives. This sort of ranged from writers and musicians and even puppeteers at one point. But now we are working on Koup Music, and it's a tool to create, control, and customize AI music models in order to amplify creativity and provide access to a whole new world of sounds. So this has really come from the idea that in a recent AI music report, well, we've had this idea for a while, but it's been super validating more recently, where APRA, which is the Australian Performing Rights Association, have said that 82% of their participants said that they were concerned that AI could impact how they make a living from their work. But this sentiment has also been echoed very much globally, where artists like Billie Eilish and Nicki Minaj, Stevie Wonder have all signed an open letter calling for responsible AI practices in music. But we know it's not all doom and gloom, because we also have artists who can see the benefit, with 54% saying that they think AI technology can assist the creative human process. So there is one thing that highlights this whole problem space, really, and that it's that there is a universal arts demand for consent, fair compensation, and creative control when their work is being used alongside generative AI, which is why we've been really compelled to help artists work with AI instead of against AI. We kind of started last year with initial support from the Sydney Opera House, where we first tested the idea of Koup Music as a live generative remix tool for a performance project that was called Sonic Mutations. This is actually online if you care to watch it on the Sydney Opera House website. And it was really developed in collaboration with local artists, one called Alexis Weaver and another called Rowan Savage. What we've designed and Koup Music is like a lean digital audio workstation, or a DAW, which artists themselves can fine-tune, a bit like you fine-tune your own instrument. So the way I like to kind of think about this is, when you play the guitar, you need to tune the strings to the right key. So it doesn't really matter how skilled you are. It doesn't matter if you're Jimi Hendrix. If your guitar isn't properly tuned, it just won't sound that good. So you wouldn't play a guitar without tuning it. So why would you use an AI model without tuning it too? So one of our feature elements of Koup Music at the moment, and what we're beta testing, is this studio space. So you can take a little sonic idea, like a vocal melody, and you can transform that into something like a violin, or a different genre of music like metal music, or even that of another artist's own sonic ideas. We're currently beta testing with this idea of a pay-as-you-go credit model, so that we can start to test the market and tap into this kind of speculative idea of a $1.3 trillion generative AI market with this new creative stream. Our ultimate vision really, though, is to build a thriving online ecosystem where we can enable our users to use their own custom models and generate new revenue streams by adding them to a model marketplace and redefining and recreating a new kind of creator economy. So we are currently looking to raise about $1 million in seed investment to reach our community and continue iterating from our beta. And we're just hoping to empower people to claim that idea of their own sonic data in a world where they can create and control and customize their own AI music models. And that's it. Thank you.
Thanks, Kartini. Great. It's great to see something creative and musical out of the Australian tech startup scene.